Okay, kids, so in this opportunity, I am going to show you the process of subtracting mixed numbers using a method that involves converting them to their improper fraction version. Okay, the process is really similar, almost exactly equal to the process of adding mixed numbers. The only difference is that in one point we will have to make a subtraction. So if you already saw the video where I talk about addition of mixed numbers, it is exactly the same thing here. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is that sometimes in a certain point of the process you will have to make a subtraction, but you already should know that. So let's go ahead and transform both of the fractions, or sorry, both of the mixed numbers to their improper fraction version. So 4 and 2/3. In order to transform it, we have to multiply the whole part by the denominator, 4 times 3, and to that we add the numerator. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Now the denominator is the same. So 4 and 2/3 is 14/3. Now let's do it with the other one. 1 and 7/8. We do exactly the same than before. 1 times 8 plus 7. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 7 is 15. The denominator is the same. So we have 15/8. And now, instead of doing the subtraction with this version of the numbers, we are going to do it with these versions of the numbers. So 14/3 minus 15/8. And since this is a subtraction of unlike fractions, we can apply the happy face. 14 times 8, let me do it really quickly here. 4 times 8 is 32. 1 times 8 is 8, and 3 is 11. 14 times 8 is 112. Let me erase this so we don't get distracted. And 3 times 15 is 45. Now here is where the subtraction sign minus gets involved, because this is a subtraction. And for the denominator, we multiply 3 times 8, which is 24. Okay, remember, we made a smiley face with this. 14 times 8, 15 times 3, and 3 times 8. Now, 112 minus 45. Is 67. Sorry, let me do it properly. And 24 is still 24. Can we simplify it? I don't think so, maybe. But right now we will probably would want to make the answer, or to write the answer, in mixed number form. So we can make the conversion from improper to mixed, and that is done by making the division of the numerator by the denominator. So 67 divided by 24. Okay, 24 fits in 67 only 2 times. 2 times 24 is 48. We subtract. This becomes 5. And this becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 19. Okay, we cannot continue with the division because there's nothing else to drop down. So now we can know what is the mixed number version for this. Because remember, the quotient becomes the big number or the whole part. So this becomes the big number. This, the remainder, becomes the numerator, and the denominator is the same than before. Okay, look. This is 19, the numerator, and the denominator is the same than before. Can we simplify it? No, we cannot simplify anymore. So the result of this is going to be 2 and 19 over 24.